Welcome back. It's art time class. Today, we're going to be making a paper airplane. Let's get started. You're going to need a plain sheet of paper to start. Here I have a piece of 8.5 by 11 plain piece of copy paper. To begin, lay out your paper to be landscape style in front of you so that it's wide in front of you. Place one hand on top, one hand underneath to make a sandwich that. And then put your two corners, line those up, push down hard where you have your two corners where you like them, and pull out your hand. Using that hand you just pulled out, you're going to press on the fold. Once you have that fold where you like it, you're going to also press on it again. You want to make that fold nice and crisp when you're making a paper airplane. Next, we're going to go ahead and open up our paper. We're going to take this point and this this edge and fold it down to the folded area right here. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to use my finger right here and bring that down. Okay. So if I put my finger over there, it would be folded to this point. If I put my finger over here, it would be folded to that point, and I really want it just right in the middle. So I'm going to put my finger right in the middle to do that. All right. Again, I want to press down really well when I'm making a paper airplane. Really get that nice and crisp. Let's do the same to the other side. And fold it nice and crisp. The next thing we're going to do is take this point and we're going to bring it down here. All right. My paper didn't want to fold with me nicely at first, so I kind of took my hand and rubbed it a little bit. That helped it want to roll while I'm folding it. You can bring it down here. Some people will want to bring it down a little farther. Some people would want to bring it down all the way. This is up to you at this point for this piece. Okay, you can fold it here if you want it longer. You can fold it kind of in the middle, or you can fold it all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to try the middle. Okay, somewhere in the middle. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do, so I'm going to fold my paper. I can fold it this way. I can fold it this way. It's really up to me. It's really up to you, the artist. Let's go ahead and do it. Let's do it this way. I'm going to fold this all the way down. So somewhere around here or here. Probably not that wide. I don't want my wings to be that little. I kind of want it a little farther down. So it's up to you. And I want to fold it just like that. Let's do the same to the other side. I want to fold this to come down to here. So line those up. I want it to be symmetrical, so I'm going to line those up. So here I have this. The next thing I'm going to do, last step on both sides, is I'm going to fold up a piece. So I can fold it there, I can fold it here. Again, it's up to you. There's so many different ways to do it and style it. Let's go ahead and do it there. I'm going to fold it up and I want it to be symmetrical. So let's see, it's going to be right around there. Like that. So I'm going to line it up like that. There we go. So here I have another paper airplane. This is like a long glider. I need to put my name on it before I throw any paper airplane. There we go. Yay! I like this. Now, when we're using paper airplanes, you need to be safe, responsible, and respectful. To be safe, you're not going to throw this inside or towards any crowded places. You're going to be responsible for your paper airplane by picking it up. If you make a paper airplane or you throw a paper airplane, you are responsible for that paper airplane, okay? And to be respectful, you're never going to throw a paper airplane towards someone or towards something fragile or something that could break easily, okay? Till next time, class, be sure to keep being creative.